Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, and today's video is going to be one huge problem solver. To begin with, let's answer a simple question. Which is the most used PC application nowadays? Think about it. Yes, it's Microsoft Excel. In any enterprise, Excel is the most sought-after tool. It is easy to manage work by using its various Excel features and functions. But even a slight issue damages a smooth and well-organized spreadsheet, and in this video, we will be discussing how to fix hash value error in Excel. If the hash value error appears in any cell, it simply means that there is something wrong. It's MS Excel's method of communicating an error in the formula you have applied. The level of issue can, however, vary based on the situation. These are few approaches that will help you to avoid this error. Recheck the formula which you have entered. Check all the cells for correct value against the formula which you have entered. Remove spaces and hidden spaces from the cells. Make sure there are no special characters in the cell. It's better to use functions instead of operations in a spreadsheet. If none of the above work, it can be concluded that the spreadsheet has become damaged or corrupt. Since a spreadsheet contains major confidential data of any organization, it is necessary to repair it securely. The only method is to take the help of a professional tool, like the Kernel for Excel repair. The software has been carefully designed to repair damaged, corrupt, protected, broken, crashed, or malware-infected Excel sheets. With its advanced algorithms, the data is safely and accurately restored along with all the components of the spreadsheet. Let's understand how it functions. Install the Kernel for Excel repair on your Windows system. Choose if you want to repair single or multiple files. Click on Browse to add the file to the tool. And choose the file and select Open. The file will be added to the tool, and now click on Repair. The repairing process will begin. A preview of all the contents of the sheets will be displayed. Click on Save to proceed. You can save the repaired file by clicking on Select Path. Then, click on Save. The saving progress will begin, and finally, a confirmation message will. You will no longer get the hash value error in any of your Excel spreadsheets. Within the click of a few buttons, your heavily damaged files have been recovered using the brilliant Kernel for Excel repair tool. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you will never face any trouble with your Excel sheets in the future. Do share this video and help others out. For more easy solutions, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. For more information, visit the link given in the description below. Have a nice day.